Is it a crocodile? A Komodo dragon? No, it's a Malayan water monitor, but I can see how they are easily mistaken. The Malayan water monitor lizard is native to Singapore and is one of two monitor lizard species. The Malayan water monitor tends to stick to bodies of water and can be found in forests, mangroves, parks, and gardens. The Malayan water monitor is cold-blooded, meaning it draws heat from its surroundings. Because of this, Malayan water monitors are often seen basking in the sun for heat or cooling off in the shade. Malayan water monitors are known to spend some of their time in trees. However, due to their lack of specialized climbing skills, they are more often than not found on the ground. Juvenile Malayan water monitors do spend a great deal of their time in the trees because cannibalism between monitor lizards is quite common, so it's often their only escape from their hungry mother. The Malayan water monitor spends most of its time in the water. This is where they hunt for small mammals, carcasses, other lizards, crustaceans, insects, and even human food waste. The Malayan water monitor is one of the largest lizard species in the world. With its leathery skin and non-overlapping scales, the Malayan water monitor can grow up to an impressive 3 meters long. When they are young, the Malayan water monitors are black with pale stomachs and bands made up of rows of yellow spots along their backs and tails. When they mature, they instead adapt a gray coloration. To distinguish the Malayan water monitor from other monitor lizards, look at the position of their nostrils. The Malayan water monitor's nostrils lie near the tip of their snout. According to the IUCN Red List, the Malayan water monitor lizard is considered the least concern for possible endangerment, though in some parts of Southeast Asia, the Malayan water monitor is poached for the leather industry. How do you tell an alligator and a crocodile apart? One you see later, the other you see in a while. In Singapore, we only have one member of the Crocodilia order, meaning my mom's poor taste in humor can lay rest for another day. In Singapore, we have one species of crocodile, the Estuarine Crocodile, or saltwater crocodile. The Estuarine Crocodile is native to Singapore and is mostly found along coastal waters and rivers, but they also inhabit freshwater rivers and swamps. Movement between habitats occurs during the wet season, when juveniles are raised in freshwater rivers. However, these juveniles are usually forced out of the area by dominant males who use the freshwater areas for breeding ground. Males who are unable to establish territory in the river system are either killed or forced out into the sea, where they move around the coast in search of another river system. While hunting, the Estuarine crocodile will stalk its prey while swimming with only its nostrils, eyes, and portions of its back above the water. Once close enough, the Estuarine crocodile lunges out to grab its prey. Usually the prey is killed by the powerful snap of the Estuarine crocodile's jaw, but if not, the Estuarine crocodile will drag the prey into the water to kill it before eating. When young, the Estuarine crocodile will typically feed on smaller prey like insects, amphibians, crustaceans, and small fish. And older Estuarine crocodiles will feed on larger prey like mud crabs, turtles, snakes, birds, wild boar, and monkeys. Estuarine crocodiles are the largest reptilian species today. Adult males can reach sizes of 6 to 7 meters, while females, much smaller, do not get much larger than 3 meters. Their heads are very large with a pair of ridges from the eyes along to the center of their snouts. Their scales are oval-shaped and their sacutes are small compared to that of other species. The young Estuarine crocodiles are pale yellow in color and have black stripes and spots along their back, body, and tail. The coloration lasts until the Estuarine crocodile matures into an adult, after several years. This juvenile Estuarine crocodile I saw still has these colorations. Adult Estuarine crocodiles are much darker gray, with their stomachs being white or yellow. The Estuarine crocodile's jaw has between 64 and 68 teeth. According to the IUCN Red List, the Estuarine crocodile is the least concern for endangerment. Before we part ways, I would like to remind you how to stay safe when watching our wild neighbors. The National Park Service recommends 7 simple ways to keep yourself and your environment safe while viewing. 1. Know before you go. Educate yourself about the park you are visiting before you go. 2. Give animals room. Keep a safe distance between yourself and the animal at all times. 3. Do not disturb. Leave the animal alone. They are perfectly fine in their own habitat. 4. Keep your eyes on the road. Both when driving and not, it's important to watch your surroundings to make sure you do not accidentally tread on someone. 5. Store your food, stash your trash. Pretty simple. 6. See something, say something. If you see an animal acting strange, that looks sick, or could possibly be dead, Tell a ranger. Also, inform a ranger if you see anyone else not following the proper protocols. 7. Be responsible. Bottom line, it's your responsibility to keep yourself and wildlife safe when watching. Thank you so much for watching. It would mean the world to me if you could fill out the short form linked in the description. As always, all my sources are in the description, and all footage is mine unless stated otherwise. Stay safe and keep exploring.